found this fun little gadget on Amazon, super cheap, so I ordered it. Thought I'd give it a try and see how I could use it in my workshop. Here's a little cup that comes as another attachment for this little handheld. I'm sure it's used as a chopper in the kitchen. I don't know what I would use it for in my workshop, but we'll see. The blades are very sharp. You just put the little cap on it, and then the little handheld pops right on top, but you have to add that little piece that I showed you earlier, so the handheld will connect with the blades. Perhaps I would use that little tiny whisk for when I'm mixing tints into my paint, and perhaps the bottle brushes will be a good tool to clean out some of my glass jars. This was the main thing I had it in mind for. The little scrubby brush gets into the little nooks and crannies pretty well. So as you can see on a piece like this, it's got lots of little nooks and crannies that I can very quickly scrub out. You can see after I'm done here that the little scrub brush is quite dirty. So I know it's working. One thing I did discover though, if you press too hard, it will stop, which is most likely a safety part to this little handheld, because you don't want to burn out the motor by pressing too hard. So that's just something you got to gauge. This little emblem here has a bunch of little nooks and crannies, and normally it would take me about 5 minutes to clean that out, but because of this little brush I can do a quick job of it just by running over it a few times.